I'm Trixie, hair expert from T Hair Factory, and today I will guide you how to comb the hair. And you can see after long sickness or when you wake up in the morning, the hair very tangled, and the hair can go through the hair very tangled. And I will show you how to comb the hair in the right way right now. You can use hair balancing water to add on the hair. and then comb at the end of the hair and move to the tip of the hair. Yeah, let's see. Hair very silky, very shiny. My hair can go through very easy.